Hi guys, we're back with another video. And the video today is going to be about balloon animals. The animal of choice is a balloon dog. We hope you enjoyed this video. We hope that you find the time to try this. I'm sure some of you probably thought you would never need to know this, never learn this, but we're going to show you how simple and easy it is. And once you know it, it's going to be like riding a bike.
H is for helpful. A is for accountable. N is for niceness. D is for determined. F is for special. Activated! Yay!
All you're going to need for this activity is an air pump and some balloons. And as always, we hope you enjoy our video. May God bless you. Thanks for watching, and let's begin.